Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Kuladhar Chaliha. He was born on 20th of September 1887 in Lakhimpur district of Assam. He studied at Cotton College, Guwahati, and also at the Presidency College, Calcutta. He was a very active member of Indian National Congress and was the first president of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Assam on a Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues. He believed that the sixth schedule in our constitution would create more problems between the tribal community and the rest of India. He appreciated the concept of directive principle of state policy. He also spoke on the concept of trial of President of India. Now let's see what were his opinion on this issue. 28 December 1948, quote, "The trial of President is a very important matter and requires careful consideration from the members of this House. Mr. Karimuddin's amendment seems to be very sensible, very fair and impartial. When we try a man of distinguished position and the dignity of trial should be presided over by such a person who would be detached from party passions and prejudices. And who could that person possibly be? The Chief Justice of Federal Court can be the only person who will be the fit person. He will bring into trial such impartial views as the Speaker will be unable to do. In trying our highest personage, it is necessary that we should have a man presiding who will be absolutely free from any bias and who will be free from party prejudices. The Speaker, however a high person he might possibly be, will yet not be away from party learnings and party prejudices as we find everywhere." So he was of opinion that if at all a trial of a President of India has to be conducted, it should be conducted by the Chief Justice of Federal Court. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.